Leave it. It's not meant for chewing like this. No. No, Zuzu. How long are you going to keep chewing my pants? I won't have pants remaining. You gotta first buy me some pants. You cannot chew my pants like this. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Look at everything that you've chewed up. Look at that. Look at that. Your leaf is at the end. And your toys are crying. No, you cannot chew. You must sit. Sit. Have a seat. No. Without chewing, Mama. Without chewing, Mama, you gotta have a seat, Baba. I love you. But you cannot do this.